Good morning, guys. It is Saturday the 20th. Woo! Lighting is like so bad because I'm trying to get the birds their food. I just woke up. It's like 11:13, but Willie let me and Sissy sleep in. So yeah. What was I getting? Oh, bird food. Jeez. And the birds are having a late breakfast this morning. Alright, got the bedroom pretty much cleaned up. I just need to get a pillowcase on that pillow over there. And I just swept and everything and then pick up the things that are on that table. I still ain't got Sissy dressed. She wanted down to play, so I just went ahead and let her play. So I'm not gonna show her, but now we gotta go to work on the living room. And I picked it up for the most part. That chair, I got her cover to it. It's in the washer right now. Caden didn't pick up any of his blankets or anything, so I'll have him come in and do that. And then I gotta fold this laundry. But for the most part, this is pretty much almost done. I need to organize those a little more so they don't look like they're just thrown over there. And I will put some music on for the birdies. Pete loves the song Patience by Guns N' Roses. That's like, he is obsessed with that song. He will sing it the whole way through. Alright guys, I got the whole living room done except that folded and the cover back on that. But I swept everything. Everything is all clean. Shit, I still need to put that pillowcase back on. But yes, I am so freaking happy. Sissy's in there playing. I think I'm gonna have the guys come back, and then we're going to go ahead and me and Sissy are gonna get dressed real quick. And I think we just might. Is this plugged in? I think it's not unplugged. Oh no, it is plugged in. Okay, so I think we just might go ahead and go for a walk. Pretty much everybody's asleep except for me and Mackins. Me and him are sitting here. Well, standing here really. Oh, baby. And him's enjoying some sunlight. Getting some sun on them feathers. Oh, baby. The sun does them feathers good, don't Bubbers? Oh, Bubbers. Macky Mouse. I love you, handsome boy. I woke up this morning to Joey's feathers everywhere in her cage. She ripped her feathers out. I don't know if it's because she's bored. She's not used to being in her cage. But we don't have much of a choice. Yeah. we don't have much of a choice because she gets down and she poops and she's ripped up drywall. She's trying to bite Avea. And I just can't do it. Can't risk it. Look at all those feathers. There was 10 of them. Also gray feathers as well.
Hold the feathers just look like...
They look like hell. She shredded them.
Like even her wing feathers. Look at the prettiest feathers see on the back.
I know. She looks like she ain't got no tail now.
Don't flip your feathers. Why are you doing that?
Look at all these feathers. Man. See, that's molded.
Yeah.
See how it's pointed and it's not shredded up? That's mold.
Pour some juice for him.
Yes, they're
Yeah, right there. There you go.
she's sweet. Okay. Alright, so I just blended their aloe water. See, what I do is, hold on, I'll show you. I get this big, huge aloe like leaf from the store, and then I put them in ice trays and I freeze them, and then I put like 2 or 3 of them in this with hot water and I blend it. Then I take a mesh strainer. I got this one off of Amazon. I take a cup, make sure it's clean, put it over there.
So I figured this probably either in the mudroom or like right here will be perfect, or over here so it's a little less obvious. Like right here will be perfect to like put on and make sure that like you're not missing anything or anything like that. I also really like it because it has like this portion here.
Take my I got this from Amazon as well.
Alright, I'm gonna wait to hang it until we do the comments.
There's the name of it in case you guys want it. If I remember when I'm editing, I will link this below. It's one of the pumper ones. I love it because it's a mist. And they don't, like, okay, for instance, Mac. He was majorly abused with spray bottles. So he is absolutely terrified of a spray bottle. Well, was. He's not so much anymore because I've showed him, you know, water and spray bottles are not bad to have around you. And that taking a bath does not mean that you're in trouble. And then after I do that, I just pump it a couple, whoa. Pump it a couple times. Show it to Go-Go. Go-Go beans! still a little cold, baby, to have you out in the sun. Let it go like that. Let her fluff up.
Alright, I got it.
All 3 birds have been showered. This is pretty much empty. I'm about to clean up the living room, and I'm gonna get the kids ready around 1 to go over to Grandma's, and yeah. We're probably gonna take a walk because it's supposed to be really nice out today. It's gonna be, well, right now it's 54 degrees out, and after we leave Grandma's, it'll be about 60, 61, so that's not really nice, but it's nice. Tomorrow, it's supposed to be almost 70. Yeah, you wanna go see Dada? You wanna go see Dada, Gogo Bird? Come on, let's go see Dada. Wanna go see Dada and you can dry off in there?
Go, go!
Hey, we just got home from Grandma's. Look at my girl. Look at you, Mama. You're so pretty. Look at that thing off me. My little Amish baby. You being little Amish baby. Yeah. Oh, I just woke up from midnight, huh? You just woke up from midnight? Yeah. You're so pretty. Yes, you are. You're gorgeous. Yeah. Look at you. You're so pretty. She's like, what the heck is this thing on my head, Mom? I love you guys. We're gonna end the vlog here. I gotta finish cleaning this house up. I got most of it cleaned up. I noticed earlier that I have like a section of hair that is like really short. Oh. Say bye, guys. Say bye.